Airbus's upcoming extra long-range single-aisle narrow-body aircraft, the A321XLR, is expected to disrupt the status of long-haul travel. With a range of up to 8,700 kilometers, it has been heralded as a game-changing aircraft. Airbus commenced the structural assembly of its new plane in May this year. But where is it taking place? Let's find out. Any aircraft built today is a tale of multiple sites and countries. Innumerous components come together from all around the world to create the engineering marvels that are the foundations of modern commercial scale air travel. Airbus has long brought the various parts of airplanes to its final assembly lines from all across Europe and beyond. The trek of the A380 to its final assembly line in Toulouse will always remain a logistics legend. While transporting the parts of the Airbus's potentially revolutionizing narrow-body A321XLR may not need quite the same considerations, bringing them all together to form a plane still requires some operational planning. The wings of the A321XLR are built and equipped where all Airbus's wings are made. In the manufacturer's Broughton facilities in Wales in the UK. The Broughton plant has a long history in British aviation, dating back some 80 years, and is home to 6,000 Airbus employees. Meanwhile, the forward sections of the plane, up to and including the center wing box, are made in France. The nose fuselage, forward fuselage, and the section 14A are all constructed in Saint-Nazaire on the Atlantic coast, with parts arriving from domestically and abroad. Airbus commenced the assembly of the first nose and front fuselages at the beginning of July. Saint-Nazaire is home to over 3,000 Airbus employees. The forward sections of the entire Airbus A320 family are tested here. From the center fuselage and back, it's nearly all Germany. As previously stated, the flaps come out of Bremen, a facility that sits at the crossroads of Airbus's commercial aircraft and defense and space activities. The vertical tail fin of the A321XLR is produced in the old Hanseatic city of Stade, located by the Elbe between Hamburg and the coast. The center fuselage, aft fuselage, rear tank, and rear fuselage are all made in Airbus's facilities in Hamburg, with components arriving from subcontractors such as Premium Aerotech in Augsburg. Structural assembly of the first center and rear fuselages began in May this year. Airbus's plants in Spain bring up the rear and the tail cone and horizontal tailplane made in Getafe close to Madrid. The location also used to be the home of the A380's horizontal stabilizers before the giant of the skies went out of production. The A321XLR is scheduled to enter service in 2023 with test flights planned for the next year. Airbus has nearly received orders for 450 of these jets, with American Airlines and United Airlines set to become its major operators out of the gate. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel.